Let's make some nachos.
We have corn tortillas cut into triangles. We're just gonna fry these up. It's very simple, but I highly recommend frying your own chips. Hit it with some salt and lime juice when it's done. You can find our cheese dip recipe online. We're gonna just put all this into one big pot. So we're gonna start with the cheese sauce, our ground beef, our one layer of chips. Then we're just gonna keep layering this. A little bit more cheese sauce, some more ground beef, and why not all the ground beef, I guess, and then the rest of the chips. Then we're gonna put a plate under this, and we're just gonna flip it over. This way all the nachos are layered on one plate. The bottom chips are dry so they can collect all the rest of it. And don't worry, I did eat what was left in the pot. That was one of the best bites I've had all year. We're gonna top it with some red onions, some cilantro, and some fresh jalapenos. You top it with anything you want, but that's it. These were amazing. You can hear the crunch. Full recipes on our website at crowfood.com.